Using apps on a daily basis is so ordinary that you might find an app for everything. Let it be for entertainment, socializing, or organizing your entire day. But, believe it or not, there are a few app ideas that still need to be made. Are you planning to a startup? In this video, we will discuss the best app ideas, or one may say opportunities for startups. 1. Smart Recipe App. An app that suggests and guides you through cooking a healthy recipe with whatever ingredient you have at the time. You can choose the recipes based on their nutritional value. 2. Social Networking App for travelers. Just like LinkedIn is a social networking app for professionals, you can develop a social networking app for travelers where people can share travel experiences and guides. 3. Lost and Found App. Finding lost things can be tough, and that's where the Lost and Found app can be a success. People can upload lost and found posts to ensure it gets to the right person the earliest. 4. Brand Recognition App. Duplicacy is a serious issue, especially in the fashion industry. Thus, the Brand Recognition App can help by scanning the product and letting the user easily know about the manufacturing brand. 5. Personal Finance Management App. The Personal Finance Management app helps users to track expenses and incomes directly by linking their bank accounts. It also helps in budgeting and making financially wise decisions. 6. Event Planning and Invitation App. Event planning is a headache if done on your own, and hiring an agency is just costly. Thus, the Event Planning and Invitation app helps users organize an event smoothly. Aren't these the best app ideas? Then, what are you waiting for? Contact us to discuss and develop your mobile app idea now.